Okay, now I'm ready to start assembling my book. I have my 10 images. These are the 10 smaller ones that I painted, and I have my one large image for my cover. I have a glue stick, scissors, and a pencil and ruler that I will use in just a bit. The first thing that I need to decide on is my layout. Now notice with this layout you are going to have 4 images that are in the middle that are whole, and then you will have 6 images that you will cut in half and place next to each other. So this should mimic the inside of your explosion book. So I'm just going to take a moment here and I am going to figure out where I want my different pieces within my layout. Okay, now that I've decided on my layout, I'm ready to start assembling. So the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to start cutting my 6 artworks in half. So how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to flip them over, and I'm going to use that ruler and draw a line right down the middle from corner to corner. And then I can use my scissors and I can just make a nice straight cut. So now you can see that I have all 6 of those artworks cut in half, and I have left my 4 in the middle whole. I am now ready to go ahead and glue the backs of those and insert them into my explosion book. I also need to make sure I'm gluing on my cover as well. And then if you also have another square that you are attaching to the back, you do this now as well. Okay, so I finished gluing all of these in place, so now I'm just going to fold it up. And I need to glue on the cover. Okay, I want this to be my cover, so I'm going to glue it on like this. And then I'm just going to set a textbook on top of it so that I can make sure that that glue really adheres to all of my artworks. And then you are done with your explosion book. Make sure you are submitting this on Flipgrid so I can see it in action. I can't wait to see what you guys have come up with.